Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, no audio device is installed error in Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Playing Audio. Second method is type mmmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmmsys.cpl. Check Show Disabled Devices and also select Show Disconnected Devices. Select your output device, click Set Default, click Apply, click OK. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Update Device, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio model, click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.